Hey guys, before we start this video, I thought I'd show you what rod and reel I use for catching rockfish at Depoe Bay. My theme has always been Shimano. I'm a Shimano guy, always have, always will. I love them, they're very durable, they last a long time, and they are very, very awesome reels for the money. And the size I use is like 4,000 to 5,000. I actually prefer the 4,000 size because it has a bigger spool. You can add more line on it. For my first rod, it is a Shimano bait runner. This is the size 4,000. Really good reel and really good drag. That's one of the things about Shimano is their drag is excellent. I feel like it's the best on the market. And I spooled it with 50-pound braid, and I have 50-pound braid on all my reels when I'm fishing Depoe Bay for rockfish. And for the rod, this is a ugly stick Tiger rod, Tiger Elite, super strong. There's nothing that's gonna break this rod. It is a 6'6". So it's not a very long rod. The thing with kayak fishing, I prefer the shorter rods because it's just easier to manage and easier to net the fish when you bring the fish close to the kayak to net it. A shorter rod's gonna be a lot better. Okay, it's just more convenient. Reel size, this one's a 4,000, 50-pound braid, 6'6" rod. Second rod, I have, this is a bigger reel. This is a Shimano Saragossa, probably one of the best saltwater reels out there. I really like it. And this one is a little more spendy than the bait runner. The Saragossa is a top notch, guys. Really good drag, very smooth, durable, very, very strong reel. Made for saltwater. Saragossa 6000 SW 6000 HG high gear. 50-pound braid as well, and really good setup. Same rod, 6'6" Tiger rod. These are big, beefy rods. It can handle any rockfish out there at Depoe Bay. Okay. My third rod. This is my main rod because I lost my Stratic over the kayak during this trip. The reel is a 5,000 Sedona. I have a couple of these. These are really nice reels. It's a budget reel. It is only about $55 to $60 depending on where you get it, but it works really well. I feel like even the lower end Shimanos, you get good quality reels. They have reels that's going to fit pretty much any budget from $20 up to around $1,000 with their Stella line. But this one is a 5,000 Sedona, and I have 65, I keep on saying 65, but 50-pound braid as well. And I use Power Pro braid line, and this is paired with, this is only a 6 foot, and this is actually the perfect rod for kayak fishing. It's, at least for me, I feel like 6 foot is like ideal because, like I said, when you're bringing in fish, let's say you have a 10-foot rod, right? Your fish is like way out there. And in order to bring it close, you have to raise your rod a little bit with a 10-foot, and then it's kind of awkward because your rod is so long. So for kayak fishing, I prefer the 6 to 6'6" at the longest. Okay, and this 6 foot by ugly stick, I think it's the ideal length. And this is a 6 foot ugly stick Elite. It's rated to 3/4 ounce, and this is a one-piece rod. Okay, so those are the rod and reel I use for rockfish. Very important when you finish your trip, make sure you rinse these out thoroughly, because saltwater is, I keep on saying it in my saltwater videos, is very corrosive for metals. So rinse it out with a garden hose, rinse it thoroughly. You want to make sure you shoot water underneath the spool skirt So you get some water under the inside the spool cavity, so that way you can wash out all the salt. Okay, you have to spray the garden hose this way so that it gets under that skirt. All right, so let's go fishing. Wow, man, the traffic here is nuts. This morning, I guess salmon is still going on.
Yeah, I'm telling you, this Wednesday it was crazy. I wasn't expecting that many people just because it was a weekday.
Yeah?
But it was, I mean, the parking lot was full. There was
Jeez.
cars on the side of the road.
Wow. Which means like the salmon's running really good, and they're probably doing really well out there.
Yeah?
Yeah. There's like charters going out right now, a lot of them. Looks like there's gonna be a break, so let's already do an intro and get out of here. Hey folks, welcome back. PK here. So we're at Depoe Bay and I got Lewis with me. Yep. Sorry if you can't see us, my light is out. I forgot to charge it, but this is more like a redemption trip. I lost a really good lingcod when I tried to net it for Lewis last time, so trying to redeem myself. Hopefully I can get you another good one.
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah. So the sun's just gonna come up. It's kind of cloudy, no wind at all, like dead calm. Swell is about 2 feet or less. Looks like it's gonna be a good day. So let's get out there, huh? Let's get some fish, man. Let's do it. Super excited about this trip. This summer's been going really well.
Yeah.
I mean, the swell has been like laid down all this time. Really cool. Yeah. I might have trouble going out a little bit because it's an incoming tide, and we're gonna go against the current here. All right, we got a break here, man. Let's do it. Man, it is dead calm, guys. Tide is coming in. Yeah, it's nice. Super calm. You got that lure, you got that ling on last time? No swim bait? Uh-oh. Oh, I see. Stand by on outbound. Oh man, look how calm that is. Holy cow. Go ahead. I don't know if you care or not, but you got a few vendors hanging on your port side there. Oh, the deckhands are in trouble. Lashings will follow immediately. Well, we'll feed them. We'll feed them to the sharks. There you go.
Are we clear for outbound yet?
Depoe Bay, 2 kayaks are clear. Depoe Bay, 2 kayaks are clear.
Outbound, 0 clear.
Outbound.
I'm excited, Lewis. This is awesome. It's like a lake out here.
Wait till you get under the bridge before you travel up. You're waking the bullshit straight wind stock.
I'm marking fish right here. Yeah, right around there. There's like a cliff. I was expecting a bite by now. What's going on? You get any hits?
No, I just got snagged. Now I got a bunch of stuff right here.
Sport boat outbound, Depoe Bay.
Hold on.
Oh, nice. I'm marking them. I'm just not wondering why I'm not getting hits. I'm marking them all over.
Depoe Bay.
What are you using?
Just a white jig.
I have some jig heads and some swim bait if you want it.
Okay.
If you want to try to hug up. These are 1/2 ounce. Okay. Let's see, there's some here. I don't know what size. I know you like to use the bigger ones. I got some bigger ones if you want it. Here. You want some of these bigger ones? This one, I know you caught something similar like this.
Yeah.
And then here is, and let me get the bigger jig head for you. That. Okay. Now these are big jig heads. So I'm not sure what size. I think the smallest one I have might be this one. I think it's either 2 ounce.
Oh,
3. Okay. Here's another. All right, that should be good. Yeah. Right, they're not liking the Castmaster. I had really good luck with the Castmaster. That's like my go-to lure here.
Yeah.
But for some reason they are not liking it today. Come on, fish. Big wave coming. 38 feet right here.
Yeah, it was bad on Wednesday.
Yeah?
It was, I mean, the swell didn't look too bad.
Yeah?
But then when I was out here, I mean, they were probably like 6 foot.
Yeah? Ooh.
And then there were so many boats, it made it even worse.
Really?
I was hanging out like over there, there were some waves.
You were here Wednesday? Solo?
Yeah.
Okay. You catch any?
I caught some. I only kept one rockfish.
Okay.
I only caught one rockfish. The rest were like baby lambs and
I see.
greenland.
Huh.
Which I never really see. They're good.
Yeah.
Good, but I like the rockfish better. I even like it more than the link.
Yeah, I love rockfish. I like to make fish tacos with it. My mom likes it more than the ling.
Yeah, link cod, I feel like it's, I mean, if you make fish and chips, it's good, but if you just grill it like that, it's like really soft and it kind of disintegrates when you
Yeah.
start eating it.
Yeah.
And I've noticed that the rockfish is good.
Right. Well, hopefully we get into some rockfish. Man, I'm marking them all over, but they are just not taking anything. I'm gonna switch to a swim bait. What's going on?
Maybe they're just... Huh. That is strange. Right, swim bait. Usually I come out here, I would get probably a fish by now. Yeah. It's usually not this slow, because this is a pretty good spot. I don't know.
What's that?
I just missed another one.
Okay.
Little bite though.
Yeah, just little tiny taps.
Yeah.
Usually those are the little guys, because the big one just take it and go. Man, guys, it is dead. I haven't had one bite yet. Not even one. Pretty unusual for this place. I guess there are days like this, huh? Nothing. It is dead. Why don't you want to try another spot? You want to try the North Reef? Okay. There's really nothing here. Well, I'm marking them, but I'm just really surprised they're not taking it. All right, Lewis, let's go to the North Reef. Man, it is dead here. All right, folks, no bite at all, no bite. And I'm a little surprised because, well, this is Depoe Bay, right? Oh boy. Dude, there's like a school right here. Right here. But I keep on saying that. I just can't get them to bite. I'm marking them all over. All right, guys, we are moving to the North Reef. There's really nothing going on back there. I was marking a lot of fish, but I was not getting any bites at all. Just one of those days, which is strange. That's a really good spot. Apparently, they're not cooperating today. All right, we're coming up to the North Reef right now. Okay, I'm marking fish. Does that mean I'm gonna get a hit? No idea. Oh, no. Ooh, there we go, fish on. There we go. I was moving my boat. Come on, lock, there we go. Oh yeah, nice rockfish. Bad idea, that's barely hooked. Yeah, first fish there, guys. Hook came off, right on time. Yeah, Lewis, got him. Dude, there's a lot right here. First fish, thank you, fish god. Okay, right there, here we go, finally. Right as I dropped it, right here, we're at 37, right where you're at right now, that's where the cliff is. So it goes from about 60 to about 35. Not bad, about maybe a pound, close to 2. Come here, you. I will keep you. There we go, not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, there we go. So let's whack him and then we're gonna bleed him. Yeah, there we go. There we go, first fish. Oh, there we go. Yep, another one. Oh, come on, motor. Yep. Oh, dang it. Shoot. Right here, Lewis, right below us. Dang. I was messing around with my motor. Man, I was moving my kayak around, then he took it. Oh, got it. Man, it's kind of frustrating when you see them all over the sonar and they don't bite.
Over here?
What's that?
They at the bottom?
Yeah, they're all over.
Probably about the same size you got.
Yeah, cool. That's what we want. All right, guys, switching to the swim bait. Oh, man, oh man. They are finicky today, man. I'm not kidding, guys. They are super finicky. Yep, there we go. Got him. Got to troll around, I guess. Small one. Oh, never mind. False alarm. Got a giant, what? Coral. That doesn't count. Felt like a fish though. Greenling? Well, at least you're catching them. I am not having much luck at all. I'm gonna try right down here. What's that? Yeah. Man, that's a tough day today. They are picky as hell. Maybe they want the white one. Oh, jeez. Is that a fish? I think. Oh, man. I think that's a fish. Oh, yeah. Oh, I snagged it. Oh, what is that? Is that a China? Oh, I think that's a China. There we go. I think Chinas are legal. Poor guy. Oh, come here, I'll get you out. Don't struggle. Say ah. There you go. Okay, buddy, hold on.
Outbound Depoe Bay.
There we go. That's a China. I think I will keep him. Yeah. Well, actually, she will let him go. Good size China. There you go, buddy. Whoop, he made it. Shaboom. Okay, there we go. Man, I just set this down too. Okay, where was I? Where was I? Okay, there we go. I'm gonna put you away for a second. So update is one rockfish and one China. I let the China go. I just want rockfish for today. I probably should have kept the China since it's kind of slow, but you know what? I got lots of rockfish in the freezer. It's not all important that I get my limit, but it has been really, really slow. The sun is up and my back is killing me, and super, super low swell, about 2 feet today. What a great summer. What a great summer. This summer has been spectacular in terms of swell. And also the wind. The wind is just non-existent. It's really nice. And holy moly, there's a lot of boat traffic today, guys. People are going in and out of Depoe Bay. I guess a salmon must be running. Snagged up. Trying to take a video of the whale and it's snagged up. There we go. Got it free. Let's lock it here. Let's lock it here. One of those days. Man, oh man. Okay, this is a... Huh? You got any herring jig? That might be herring. Yeah, I'm marking like a bunch of bait fish right here. Man, I wish... Do I got a herring jig? Man, nothing's working today. Two, I released out of China. And I got my only rockfish right here, my only black. Man, oh man. Sometimes that's how it is, I guess. All right, my friend set this up last time and he got like a big cabezon. So I'm gonna try it. It's just a feather jig and like a 4-ounce swim bait on the bottom. Oh, fish? Oh, nice.
Oh, it just came.
Oh.
I was like, well,
I spoke too soon.
then I like shook, and I reeled it, but it didn't move, and then it came on.
Yeah, I'm marking them right by where you're at, and I'm guessing they might be following the school of herring, because there's like a big school of herring right here. Oh man, there we go. Oh, that is a... Got one, Lewis. Feather jig, man. Oh, that's a good one. That is a good one, guys. Keep it tight, keep it tight, keep it tight. Oh, big cabby. Oh, the big cabezon. Yeah. Oh man, that's a big cabby. Ho 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 ho. Wait, are we allowed to keep cabbies still?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh. Oh man, don't come off. Ugh. He is well hooked. Okay, let me try to get him out. There we go. Big old cabby right there. Let's see how big he is.
Outbound. Inbound right now, hang tight.
Oh man. 23.5 inch.
Yeah, that's big.
Oh yeah, right there, guys. Big old cabby. Woo! Wow. That is nice. I think there's a fish on here, but he hung me up. Okay, it came off. I felt a tug. That was surely a fish. That was definitely a fish. But he hung me up. But anyways, I am free. Oh!
There's no fish. There we go. Smaller one. What are you? Rockfish. Oh, he got the feather jig. First rockfish on a feather jig, guys. Nice. Now you are allowed to use 3 hooks, so I got 3 on here. Here we go, guys. Okay, come here. What's going on? Okay, there we go. Moving right along. Let's send this back down. Oops. Okay, there we go, guys. Second rockfish. Nice one. About maybe 2. Okay, there we go. Moving right along. Finally got into some action. There's like fish jumping everywhere. I think next time I'm gonna bring my herring jig. There are like fish jumping everywhere. Oh, there it is. There's another one, guys. I felt that tug. Where are you? What are you? What are you? That is China. Another China. Okay. Another China, guys. It's all right. I think we might keep this one. Well, he's a good size China. We'll go ahead and keep him. There we go, guys. So that is, there we go. 1 China. Oh, I would say 2 pounds. So that's 3 rockfish. Nice. Did you have one on? Ah.
Worcestershire inbound, Depoe Bay. Worcestershire inbound.
You want to try the South Reef? You want to try the South Reef? Let's go. All right, guys, we're gonna move one more time. I think we fished the North Reef enough. Might slow down there, so we're gonna go to the South Reef. Let's see, just for an update, I think I got 2 rockfish, 3 rockfish actually, and two black and 1 China. And I caught 2 China, but I let 1 go. And then I got 1 cabezon. I think cabezon count as a sub bag limit. So I need 2 more to go, two more fish. Then I got my limit of rockfish. No ling so far. I know I feel like I'm always in a hurry, but you don't have to come back with me. You can stay out here if you want.
No, I got some stuff to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll go about another, I think it might be 9 right now. 9:11, so we'll go about 40 minutes. Is that okay? All right, 80 feet. Yep, I see fish. Right over here, well, no, they're not. Never mind. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Holy moly. Right to the left. Right over here. Right there. We're about 70 foot of water.
Outbound Depoe Bay. Outbound Depoe Bay.
The spinning wheel?
Yeah, you don't get tired?
Oh no. I actually prefer these. I grew up using these spinning reels, so it just kind of stuck with me. Nice one, man.
I thought it was stuck on the ground and I pulled it and started shaking.
Yeah.
Inbound Depoe Bay. Inbound Depoe Bay.
That's a good one. 3 pounds?
Nice job. Yeah. Let me get a video of you. Hold on. Nice one, Lewis.
Oh, yeah.
What did you get it on?
I got it on this white jig here.
Like a pencil jig? Nice, man.
It's like an ounce and a half,
Oh, right on.
like that.
Yep, that's a nice rockfish. Good job. Lewis, back to back. Oh, that's a big fish. Woo! Yeah. Nice job. Same lure?
Here, you can just grab onto the pliers.
I'm gonna lock it. It's all right. It's all right. Okay.
I think it'll be close.
He's gonna be close. Come on, buddy. B22.
Yeah?
22.
Yeah, 22 and a half.
Nice. I was about to lip him and then I realized, wait a minute. Don't lip a ling.
No, you don't want to do that.
Thank you, sir.
On the same one, man. Hook right here.
Okay.
It's just braid, like it's like, I don't know.
Oh, I think I have a couple of those.
And
Not
there's a little,
not that one, but that style.
yeah, and it's got the little like feather things on the hook.
Yeah.
So once you get them in there,
Okay.
but it's not bad.
Oh, he sells those?
Yeah, he sells them.
Oh, okay.
Fisherman's Life, I think net.
Yeah.
I mean, they're only like, I think this one was like 4 something.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's like the same price as like you go to the store.
Okay.
And it probably takes about a week to get to your house.
Yeah. Oh, is that a fish? Oh, yeah. I didn't realize that. That is another fish. Nice. Oh, oh, he's a good one. He's a good one. Don't go under the motor. Oh, that's a nice rockfish. That's a nice rockfish. There we go, number 4. Woo! All right, Lewis, I'm gonna make this my last fish.
Alright.
Last fish, guys. Gonna head in. Got stuff to do at home. What a good day to, what a good way to end the day. He came after, I was reeling in my lure and then he came after it. Oh no! Oh! Dude! Oh! All right, guys, so we're at the end of our trip. I got this big cabezon, and you got a keeper ling, some nice rockfish, and got 4 rockfish on the floor. What a great day. Check that out, guys. Really cool. Oh man, that's heavy. So it was a slow day, but it was consistent. You did pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Hey, thanks for coming out.
No, thank you.
Yep, I had a great time. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Have fun fishing. Stay safe. Tight lines. Okay, there we go. He is 8 pounds 6 8 pounds 8 pounds 6 ounce 8 pounds 6 ounce, guys. Big old cabbie. Yeah, that's how we do it. Dude, I lost my rod.
Are you serious?
$250 rod.
When?
Just now. Just like before we, just like 10 minutes ago. So,
Wait. When that fish went? Or
Yeah.
Was that a fish or was that your rod?
that was a fish.
And the rod.
Well, I got the fish, but I lost my rod
Oh man.
because
I thought it was a fish.
I was fumbling around like, damn, $250 reel.
What kind
What?
of reel was it?
It was a Shimano Stratic.
Oh yeah, look at that.
And $100 rod too. God, that's my XML rod. Dang. Well, let's get out of here.
Yeah, I got the Corrado. And then these are 140, but you can get a discount. We're gonna for like 110.
Yeah, I got a Corrado. I got 2 of them. They're really nice. I don't use it very much because I'm not very good with it. So, anyways, whoops. Let's get out of here.